John Lilly-Green and the Islanders are a bunch of musicians from Newport and Treorchy. They're going to be flying the flag for, wait for it, Cyprus. To explain all, here's Matt Murray.
When you're a Eurovision contestant, you have to be eternally optimistic. And this song is suitably hopeful. Life will look better in the spring, a song penned by a Cypriot, but performed by musicians from Treorchy and Newport. John Lilly-Green and the Islanders' performance on this 2-hour final on Cypriot TV against 8 local pop stars saw the Welsh act win through.
The fact that there were Greek and Cypriot pop stars involved with it all, you know what I mean? It was, to me, well, to us, I think, it was just, okay, well, it's clear, you know, we're clear who the winner is not going to be. You know, we just thought, well, it's not going to be the guys from the UK because, you know, we're not from Cyprus at all. So we just thought that was working against us rather than for us, you know, so.
And the fact of the matter is we made Eurovision history in Cyprus. A song has never, in Cyprus before in Eurovision, got full marks from both the jury and from the public vote.
The song has been penned by Cyprus-based Nassos Lambriandinos, who selected them after seeing these Welsh musicians work on the internet. While Nassos, the Cypriot songwriter, knows that his song has been recorded and produced at a UK studio, he's most probably picturing Abbey Road. What he doesn't realise is that all the magic has happened here, at a terraced house in Treorchy. Producer and drummer John Gregory put the track together. All he had to work on at first was the singer's original demo.
This is the original track that we had.
I hope someday you'll see me. I hope someday you'll spot me.
But luckily, he had his own musicians and production skills at hand.
And then we turned it into...
And the song has already turned the lead singer into a star in Cyprus.
Life looks better in spring.
Recognised in the airport, you had to sign autographs everywhere he went.
But Wales has had its fair share of Eurovision singers, Jessica Garlick and Jamie Foxx. Who can forget them? Well, most. But John Lilly-Green is happy just to do his best for Cyprus.
That's all I can ask for mostly, but obviously it would be nice to sort of look back when I'm a bit older and say like, oh, that was a good laugh.
So if the platinum records don't come after the contest in Norway in May, John and the Islanders are happy to keep jamming to the classics in the front room.
And good luck to them. And I think it's nil point for the weather. Derek, you're to blame. It's too cold.
You can say that again, Thomas. I tell you what, I wish I was in Cyprus at the moment. It's a lot warmer than it is here in Wales. The temperature's only about 4 Celsius in Treorchy today. Little snow in some places too. The snow shower started off across England, but a few found their way into Wales, as you can see by the blue blobs. Below